seas are a bit choppy today. It's rough. It's supposed to be an east wind. It is not. It's an east, well, it's southeast wind to south. And so we're hard on it. And it's blowing, instead of 15, consistently 18 to 22. So it's not the most pleasant ride. We were counting on the east wind, and we sort of lazy and didn't put everything away. And because we wanted to sail closer to shore, but the angle we're at right now, we're just pounding, and you know, hopefully in a few, I don't know, in another 20 minutes to a half hour, I'll be able to tack over and sail back towards Long Island.
Pizza.
Teenagers love pizza. There's pizza from Yardies.
Not Yardies.
It's not? Where's it from?
Did you get it, Wyatt? Huh?
He got himself a piece.
We had sailed to Cat Island from Rock Sound on Eleuthera and spent the first week on the north part of the island. But now we were making our way down to New Bight settlement. There we hope to see many of the sights that Cat Island had to offer. Our first stop would be the Hermitage, on the highest point in the Bahamas.
So it's a scaled replica of a monastery instead of an actual one. I thought it would be bigger, but whatever. We'll check it out. Figures right in the middle of filming this, the GoPro decides it wants to shut down because GoPro sucks. They're terrible at this. Yeah, it's definitely worth coming here. You got to pick your time right because there's no protection from the west. So that could be a bummer. But as long as you come at the right time, well, if you come at the right time, this is a great place to visit.
At the end of our day of exploration, we stumbled into a private party where we got to sample Rake N Scrape, a form of music that appears to be local to the Bahamas and possibly Cat Island. Last night we had a great time. We found a local private party that was playing some Rake N Scrape, and they invited us to join them, and so we did, and it was just, you know, a fun time. Hopefully we run into some other fun locals today here on Cat Island. But this has been a fun island. It's very pretty here. Anyway, as we get going, we'll go to the salt pond and we'll see what other adventures we get into. Yeah, our simple goals for today are just to take the car, get a few jerry jugs of diesel, and then to also gasoline, and then we're going to try to see the salt pond, which is supposedly a healing pond, so we'll take care of seeing that. Hopefully we'll get the drone up. I think it's charged, and we'll find out. But that's what the goal. We'll see what else happens. Then we'll get back, make some water, because we're dangerously low on water. We'll make 20-30 gallons to get us through the next couple of days till we can get to Conception. But I think from here we're headed to Conception, possibly Georgetown. I'm just not 100% sure which way we're going. We made it to the healing pond with the extra salt, but I don't know how much salt it's really got, and I ain't gonna find out. But King the dog, he is ready to be healed.
Is this it?
Is it a salt pond?
Supposedly.
Wait, I wish we had to walk.
It's over there, King. The ducks are right there. Somebody listed in their reviews of this site, like on Facebook, that they literally fell asleep floating in the water and didn't drown. So this is the Deveaux Plantation on Cat Island. Deveaux basically was granted half of Cat Island after a brief war with Spain, where he came on behalf of the British and defeated a Spanish garrison that was here, really without firing a shot. So he created a cotton plantation, and this is the remains of that. If you like exploring ruins, Cat Island has many old churches and buildings to satiate that craving. And supposedly they have propane. One of the things when you cruise in the Bahamas is figuring out where to get propane refills. The Zoom is it's actually pretty easy. They, especially if you're in Georgetown, you just drop these things off and they come back later that day filled. Love these. I don't love that they're destroyed, but I love all these old churches. You see them everywhere in the Bahamas. Boo. Well, it's Friday afternoon, and the guy who does the propane went home for the day, so I'm out of luck. Now I have to stay another day in this damp... Oh, I love this place, I don't mind. I'm going to stay here probably another 2 days. I'm going to check out this church if I can. See what's going on with it. Propane tomorrow.